Hey, computer science folks. So hopefully you already watched the Meet the Teacher video. I apologize, the audio didn't sound too great, and so I'm messing around with some things to try and fix that. And so if this one's bad too, we might just have to roll with it for now. I've got another headset at home, but this is what I got right now. So anyway, the next thing I want you to do is be watching this video. So if you click the link, you're watching this video right now. The next thing after that is to read these two documents. Just read through them, click on them, read through them. Like I said, this one should take you 2 minutes. This one will probably take you about 5 minutes. It shouldn't take 10. It'll probably take about 5 minutes less than that, probably. We'll go with like 3. It'll probably take you 5 minutes total to read these two. Anyway, then what I need you to do, this will take a little bit of time because you have to make a login, but you go to this code.org. It will take you to a sign-in sheet. And then if you're already signed in on your Google Drive, then you can just continue with Google. But I need you to put this code in, okay, before you do any of the rest of that. So copy paste this code, right? It would be this one, okay? So copy paste that, Control C, right? And then Control V, okay? And then you go continue with Google. And obviously you pick your Det Lakes one. I'm just going to do this just for the purposes of showing you, all right? And then now it'll show like this. You're in, okay? Computer Science Principles 2021, all right? And it'll have different things here. I do not need you to do any of this today. We're going to go through the rest of this together on Thursday when we meet. Now, for on Thursday, all right, there will be a lesson just like this. Okay, it'll say lesson 2 on it, all right? So within Schoology, you will need to find lesson 2. You'll need to find the lesson that says 916, lesson 2. And then there will be a link to the Google Meet that we have, all right? It'll look in there. There will be a link in there. There will also be an email invitation that you get, and it will look like this. Obviously, it's not the one that Mr. Wolf sent to all of his teachers, but it will look just like this. It'll say computer science class first meeting, and then it'll say who it's from. If you scroll down a little bit, it will say join with Google Meet. You can also click that link there and get to that Google Meet. So we will start class at 2:30 on the 17th, on Thursday the 17th. Okay, all right. Questions on that, let me know. But like I said, if you click yes to this meeting, it will actually add it to your calendar for you. If you have Google Calendar linked to your phone like I do, it sends you a little reminder 10 minutes before. But just remember that we'll meet at 2 o'clock, all right? 2 o'clock to 3:30 on Thursday the 17th. We'll meet in that Google Meet option. Before that, the only thing I need you to do, right, now that you've gotten signed up for this, okay, you've gotten signed up using that code there and using your Google, you will then do this About Me assignment. Now, I've had almost all of you in class before. There's only 2 of you who've never had in class before in this whole class. And so we're not doing the typical About Me. It's a little bit different. But basically, I just want to know a couple things about you, right? Tell me about one fun thing you did this summer. I really just want to catch up with some of you and get to hear how your summer was, and hopefully you did at least one fun thing, and then include a picture for me. So I'll show you an example here. Right, so obviously you don't have to put in a huge picture like I did here, but I've got a picture of me there from the summer, and I read here, it says, I went to Washington State to visit my sister, and we hiked quite a bit. Behind me is a picture of Mount Rainier. All right, so there's the mountain. Okay, and then I hiked 7 miles plus an elevation change of over 2,000 feet on that day. My hamstrings were really sore after, but it was a blast. Then question 2, anything new you want me to know about you? If you are one of the 2 people that I have not met, it'd be good time to tell me a little bit more here. If you are a person that I do know, I'd like to know anything new that you think I should know. about you, whether that's good or bad or whatever, okay? And then number 3, lastly, I just want to know why you took this class and what you're hoping to learn from it. So hopefully you kind of tell me why you took this class and what you're looking to get out of it. So again, if you have questions, send me an email. Outside of that, please get this done and share it with me. So make a copy of it, file, make a copy, right? And then name it .your name, okay? Not your name, right? So like if your name is Jeffrey Johnson, you'll name it Jeffrey Johnson, okay? Right, .Jeffrey Johnson, okay? And then click OK, and then you can edit it, and you can share a copy with me before our meeting on Thursday. So do not forget, we have our first class meeting on Thursday. You can either join via Google Calendar if you hit yes to accept the invite that you'll be getting in the email, or you can also go to the lesson and there will be a link there in lesson 2. All right, thanks. We will talk to you on Thursday.